have you started doing differently now?
Everything.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Let's start somewhere.
Yeah. I think, we can rephrase this in terms of what surprised me, what did not surprise me.
What surprised you the most about our work together?
The most, I would say, I didn't expect, absolutely, and actually I wasn't ready for that I will have learned so many things about myself.
What do you mean?
I mean, if someone would had told me that, I should, explore myself, explore my true self, and do some inner work to refine my English, I would have never signed up for that.
I never told you that.
You never told me that. Yeah, but the thing is that you actually interrupted all the patterns of learning English, in my opinion. And but the beauty of your approach, or the secret of your approach, if you wish, that this inner work and working on learning learning English, all this happens simultaneously.